reality is I can't just drop everything to travel for arm wrestling, to train for arm wrestling. You know, kudos to the guys that can do that. I'm not going to be one of those guys at this point in my life.
Brian Shaw quits arm wrestling. And before anyone tells me that Pradeep, that's not what he meant, he will still be arm wrestling, I want to tell you that's exactly what he meant. He may still arm wrestle every once in a while, but you should immediately drop the expectations of Brian becoming a full-time arm wrestler or the expectations of Brian ever becoming a top 10 arm wrestler in the world. And when some fans were telling me that I am the problem because I say things like Brian Shaw and Leonidas will be out of arm wrestling as soon as the views or the wins stop coming, I wasn't wrong. Or the statements saying that Brian will never be top 5 or even top 10 in the world. I predicted it exactly how it is going to be. So in his recent video, Brian said things like he enjoyed training for arm wrestling, he enjoyed learning arm wrestling, it was an awesome experience, but he also knows that to be the best possible version of himself, he needs more hands, he needs to train with a lot of people, a larger group, he needs to travel a lot, he needs to attend tournaments. These are the things that everyone was telling Brian Shaw, and Brian himself knew that. It's not like he realized this just now. He also said that he has a lot going on in his life. He has a wife, he got 2 kids, he's super involved with them. Those guys are his top priority. He has multiple businesses. Again, everything that Brian already knew before losing to Leonidas Arcona or before even starting arm wrestling. It's not like it came to him as a sudden shock. Brian said that it's the reality that he cannot just drop everything to travel and train for arm wrestling. Arm wrestling has to fit his schedule. As long as he can fit arm wrestling into his lifestyle and continue to improve that way, he will keep arm wrestling. So why all of these things are just a bunch of excuses? First of all, I can guarantee you that none of this would come out, this whole video, it wouldn't come out now if Brian had defeated Leonidas Arcona. So that loss is a big reason why this video is coming out now. And none of the things that Brian mentioned is unique to him. Almost every top arm wrestler has a family, they do have a job, and they still manage to be at the top. So it's not about these things. Let's read a few comments before we discuss why Brian is really quitting arm wrestling. Leonidas killed what little passion Brian actually had for arm wrestling. Everybody has other obligations, dude. John Brzezing, the god of arm wrestling, full-time airline mechanic with a wife and young kids during his prime years. Brian used arm wrestling to grow his social media footprint, and now that he has picked all of the low-hanging fruit, he pulls back due to other obligations. Wow, this hurts. Didn't ever see Brian as a quitter. He's all done with arm wrestling. That went from I'm up for this challenge and potentially facing the peak of arm wrestling Levan to I got my family and some other stuff I enjoy doing really fast. It would be cool if you started your own arm wrestling club. That way, I think it could be easier for you to find more guys to practice with rather than you having to travel a lot. Brian's YouTube channel facilitates him to invite anyone to his house. Most of the arm wrestlers would be willing to fly on their own expense to Brian Shaw's house just to train with him, just to be in his video so that they can grow their social media. So the thing that he has to travel a lot to get better at arm wrestling, I'm not really buying that. Hermes Gasparini has been #1 in his country for what, 10 years now? The #2 and #3 guys in Italy, they don't train with Hermes Gasparini. Hermes trains with guys who are probably 3 times weaker than him. So almost all of his gains in the past 5 years have come from gym training. Got beat and quits arm wrestling. Reality sets in. And then there's the comment. Put it this way, if Brian beat Leo convincingly, would he be making this video? And the answer is no. But eventually he will be. Because as I said, as soon as the wins or the views stop coming, Brian Shaw quits. This is extremely disappointing. I thought his mentality was to never give up, but now he's making silly excuses. It's not easy to go from being a legend in strongman to just an average professional arm wrestler. Not good for his brand or his ego either. And then there's a comment about having a lot of money, lot of success, and still being dedicated to get better. Not many people can do that. He's just trying to convince himself that he's not quitting. Brian acts like 90% of world-level arm wrestlers aren't full-time workers with families as well. So eventually, I think it comes down to money. Everything always comes down to money. Because let's say, I'm just throwing numbers out here, I don't know how much he makes, but if Brian makes $1 million a year and dedicating himself to be a full-time arm wrestler, let's say it takes $400,000 away from his businesses and he only makes $600,000 now, that's not the sacrifice that he's willing to make. That's the entirety of the situation. And also, he may have realized that he can never become the number one guy in the world, so it will be harder for him to sell that dream to himself and also to his fans that eventually he's going to climb the ladder and become the number one guy in the world. That is also a problem. And the thing that I always say, these guys are not really accustomed to losing, at least not in the last 10 years or something. They almost always win. And now suddenly they're getting destroyed by 85 kg Manifester. So that must hurt a lot. Once again, I'm going to say, if there were more people like me who were constantly telling Brian Shaw that he's possibly or most likely not going to become the number one arm wrestler in the world, maybe it's like a 0.1% chance that he actually makes it to that level, then it would have been better for him. And I still stand by that logic. Brian should still arm wrestle. He should still try to get in top 20 maybe. That I think is going to be easily possible for him. And who knows, maybe if he still trains for it, like a couple of times a week, a couple of hours a day, then maybe he can still crack top 15 in the world. But that is going to be really difficult. Although I still want to see Brian Shaw on the arm wrestling table. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.